Hi guys, what is up? Welcome to this video review about the Kerabiotics. Kerabiotics is this really cool supplement today that is standing out in the market because it is helping people to deal with nail fungus. It is helping people to regrow their nails nice and strong and fully healthy. So today I decided to pop by here to talk to you about the Kerabiotics because this solution was actually inspired by a sacred Amazonian barefoot tribe that, they have this ritual that basically they use these ingredients that are all natural, and it helps them to maintain the health of their feet and their nails. So basically, guys, Kerabiotics is pretty interesting. It is 100% natural, and it can help you deal with any type of nail funguses. So stay right there because today I have a lot of details and a lot of infos to give to you, okay? But what you need to know firsthand is actually where you're going to be purchasing the Kerabiotics from. Seeing this mix, is sold directly on their official webpage. It's cool because that way you are going to be making a safe and secure purchase. You're going to be receiving the original product, and customer service is always there to help you. So since I'm here to help you guys out, I already placed their official webpage link just below this video in the description box. Pop by there afterwards if you want to purchase it, if you want to get to know more about the Kerabiotics. Everything you need to know and a little bit more is right there, okay? Now, let me tell you this. You see, this solution, basically, it's going to help you reintroduce good bacteria that help you maintain the health of your feet while at the same time rebuild your toenails microbiome. So the ingredients that you can get in the Kerabiotics is basically glycerin, chrysanin, carm boomer. There is like a lot of amazing ingredients, guys. Lactobacillus, copper. So this is something that is fully 100% natural. Like, it has no stimulants, it has no GMOs. It's not going to damage your nails, and it's not going to damage your skin. This is created to help you basically penetrate your nails and go directly to that fungus and kill it off directly from the root. That's why Kerabiotics today is standing out in the market, because it delivers fast result and it has really potent ingredients to it. So it's really good for your nails as well as your cuticles and the skin around your nail, because it comes with a little brush applicator. So every morning and every night, you're going to be applying it, all right? So it's twice a day. Make sure you just take your treatment seriously, and remember to use it twice a day, and that nail fungus will go away for good. And better yet, these ingredients create like a protective shield on your nails. They help you to grow your nails out. They help you to bring back its pinkish color and make them really strong so they're not breaking all the time. Like, Kerabiotics is the full package. So take your treatment seriously, okay? Use it every day. And I know there's so many people that ask around about a money-back guarantee. They have a total of 60 days, which is more than enough time for you to see results with it. So should you need a refund at some point, you just talk to customer service and they're going to help you with your refund. So look at it on the bright side. You're not losing your money, right? But guys, honestly, if you have nail funguses, treat it right away with a Kerabiotics and you're not going to regret it. Pop over to learn more, okay? Bye.